keep it simple. Like, this does not have to be complex. You can see how simple it is. Second melody, just to play over the top. Just don't overthink it. I think if you want to go crazy and be complex, then spend all your time and energy on like the actual sound design. With like modern popular music, it's just all about sound design. You know, maybe like 10% of it is music theory, but some of the biggest songs will only have like 2 chords in them. It's just those chords and notes just convey the emotion. But the sound design can like exaggerate that, make it catchy and make it interesting. So I went kind of crazy with the sound design, nothing too crazy, but I was just playing around with this envelope follower. I routed it to this like gain on this other instrument, so it's kind of like, in a way, it's kind of like working as like a side chain. I don't really know what I was doing. I was just playing around with it. Then it's running into RC20, just mainly for like distortion. Then we got reverb and then halftime. Then this second instrument is a Celestia in Xenology. Same again, RC20, delay, and then running it into a reverb. This third element is like kind of the most interesting thing to me. And all it really was I just recorded back this Celestia. I ended up dropping it down an octave. Sounds pretty boring, but then we just went crazy. I put on 2 gross beats or rhythmizers side by side, and we're going like times 400 speed. So just to give it that kind of like energy. Got the tape distortion, got this LFO kind of like volume / panning automation. And then I ran it into this reverb. I chose a different reverb just to give it a little bit more character and just to put it in its own kind of environment. Yeah, and then so I froze it into audio just so it's better on CPU. Okay, to reiterate, just keep your music theory simple. If you want to be complex and be creative, go crazy on the sound design and explore and have fun with that.